In today's video, I'll show you how you can turn off FXSound. So let's get started. So first of all, you want to open the FXSound app, and from here, you want to click on the power button. And this would toggle the turn off, which is like this one, it is grayed out, and turn on with colors. So you want to turn it off, so you want to make sure it's grayed out, just like this one. So this means that FXSound is still running in your background because you haven't closed the app, or even if you minimize it, it will still run in your background, but you will not hear any changes in your audio because you have disabled the FXSound. And now, if you would want to turn off FXSound completely, you can navigate into your taskbar. And now you want to right click on your taskbar, go into Task Manager, and from here go into Processes. And in here, you want to search for FXSound. And from here, you're going to right click and make sure that you click here on End Task so it will not be running on the background anymore. Next, you could also go into Startup. So if you don't want FXSound to be running when your computer boots up, so you don't want it to open up automatically or enabled automatically, then you want to make sure that the status here is disabled just like this one. So you want to right click and make sure that it's disabled if it's currently enabled just like that. So make sure that the status is disabled. And that's how you can turn off FXSound.